Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to find either the Google section or accounts. It's up to you, I prefer this one. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the section with the accounts of the owner. And I have my Google account currently added, but no worries, we can still start this video with adding new account. As you can see, we can still do it. So let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and of course confirm everything with your screen lock. And now in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet. It's really easy, just follow the steps or enter your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and then tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. I don't want to save it. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, we can also remove it whenever we want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. It will immediately disappear. However, this is how it looks like if you've got two Google accounts added. If you've got only one, let me show you how to do it. Let's tap on it, tap on remove account again, tap on remove account. However, this process is a little bit longer because we have to confirm everything. So let's tap on OK, confirm it with our screen lock, and right now the Google account will disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.